Hi everyone, this is Rick Burdo from the Disabled Veterans Teleseminar Training Series. What an awesome week. Just wanted to do this quick video to tell you that we had an awesome guest speaker this week on the Disabled Veterans Teleseminar Training Series. Guest speaker was Reed Farine. Covered two awesome content on generating traffic to your site. The first one was joint ventures. If you'd like to find out more, go to sendemailAday.com/JV Bootcamp. Awesome content. The second topic was giveaways, list building program. If you would like to find out more what Reed's programs is, go to sendemailAday.com/giveaway. Two awesome links. You got to check them out. It's awesome. If you would like to get on my list and find out more about the upcoming calls or get access to the replays, please get on my list. The link will be below this video. Check it out, get on my list, and I can send you this information for free, folks. The teleseminars are free. All you need to do is take the content and implement it. All you need is, if you only got an hour a day, take 30 minutes to do your education, 30 minutes to do the implementation. Before you know it, you've got a website up and rock and rolling, making some cash and supplementing your income. Awesome, great way to do it. Please, folks, get this word out far and wide for me. If you know a TV station, radio station, or any media, please help me get out this word far and wide. It's free. Once again, this is Rick Burdo, sendemailAday.com. Take care, have a great day, and God bless.